It's that time again, fellow hams. Are you ready to step into the ring and participate in a brand new giveaway event? Introducing the Ham Radio Heavyweights giveaway. We'll be giving away $3,018.83 in ham radio equipment to one lucky winner. With all of that gear and accessories included in this grand prize, you'll have an instant ham shack worthy of a true ham radio heavyweight. In this giveaway, you'll have even more chances to gain bonus entries to maximize your chances of winning. From watching Ham Radio Heavyweights interviews on our YouTube channel to placing orders on our online store for 500 bonus entries at a time, you'll have every opportunity to fight your way to the top. If you are chosen as the lucky winner, you will receive all of the following: the AnyTone ATD578 UV3 Plus tri-band DMR mobile radio for on-the-go QSOs, now with APRS transmit and receive location data, airband receive, and a 500,000 contact list capacity. A BridgeCom 18-amp desktop power supply for your new mobile radio, along with an AnyTone tri-band antenna for extended reception. The AnyTone ATD878 UV2 Plus dual-band DMR handheld radio to become your new sidekick in your new adventures with DMR. The SkyBridge Plus dual-band digital hotspot with a brilliant full-color display and fast, secure connection to your favorite DMR networks. A bonus Nagoya 701 8-inch high-gain female antenna to extend the range of your brand new handheld. You'll also receive our plug-and-play programming service so that your AnyTone 578 Plus, 878 UV2 Plus, and SkyBridge Plus show up at your door fully pre-programmed and ready to make contacts. You'll even get a full-ride scholarship to 4 BridgeCom University courses for the SkyBridge Plus, mobile radio, handheld radios, and the Xiegu G90. These courses are extremely valuable step-by-step lessons for you to master your new equipment. Speaking of the Xiegu G90, the winner will receive a Xiegu G90 HF transceiver, antenna, H1 cooling bracket, and data interface expansion card. The Xiegu G90 is an all-mode, all-band 20-watt HF radio with built-in antenna tuner and all the accessories we just mentioned. And we're still not done. You'll receive a 10-meter PL259 male-to-male RG58 coaxial cable, a BCS 200 water-resistant speaker mic, an AnyTone 12-volt battery eliminator, a heavy-duty protective case, and mobile battery charging kit for your new AnyTone 878 UV2 Plus. To cap things off, you'll be able to transmit in style with the BridgeCom BCS 300 security-style earpiece with mic and 4 BridgeCom Systems hats, enough for the whole family. Now, if you are interested in getting more information on any of these items, all these high-quality items are currently available and in stock at our website at bridgecomsystems.com. If you need more information, please reach out to us at 816-532-8451. Our in-house customer support team is more than happy to accommodate your personalized needs. Remember, you will receive 500 bonus entries for each eligible order you place by redeeming your order number on the giveaway page. One last thing, enter the secret word ringside on the giveaway page in order to quickly gain a bonus 75 entries to start the giveaway swinging. All of these incredible radios and accessories amount to $3,018.83 in total value. This giveaway begins right now and runs through the month of September, ending on October 3rd. But that doesn't mean you have to wait. Each day you can gain extra entries by performing daily tasks on the giveaway page. Pay special attention to our bi-weekly interviews with ham radio greats like Gil, K3GIL, and Ham Radio 2.0. There will be extra entries, provided you have the answers to secret questions found in those videos. Don't forget, the best way to get entries fast is to order that radio you've had your eye on. Then use your order number to gain 500 bonus entries. You can only use an order number once, so it needs to be an order number from the BridgeCom Systems website. Amazon order numbers will not be eligible. So let's get going. Click the link in the giveaway description and start entering today if you want to prove your dedication to becoming a true ham radio heavyweight. What would winning this giveaway mean for you and your ham radio journey? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'm Cody, W3AMG. Good luck and 7-3.